What's good YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about how to be consistent and profitable in trading. So if you've just started trading, or you've been trading for a while and you haven't seen consistency, or you haven't seen a lot of profit yet, I'm going to give you some tips on what made me more consistent and profitable in trading. So before I get started, I want you not to open up notes or on a notepad write the important facts I'm going to say, because I promise you this is going to help you so much in your trading career and change up your lifestyle. So let me show you. I've got stuff written down on my phone which I look at on a day-to-day basis, which helps me become more consistent and profitable. So let's get started. So before you get into Forex, I recommend you not to gain some knowledge and read about what you're doing. If you're going to start trading or buying and selling currency pairs, understand what your pair's doing. Stick to one pair first. I went through a lot of pairs. I went through GBP USD, I went through GBP JPY, I went through NZD USD. I went through a lot of currencies and it wasn't giving me profit. It wasn't making me the most profit that I wanted. But when I hopped onto gold, XAU USD, I suddenly found a strategy that helped me a lot. I practiced, I built a relationship with that pair, and that's what helped me become more consistent. So before you get started, find a pair that makes you profitable. Go into demo and practice this pair, or back test and practice this pair. Find out its history, find out how many pips it moves in a day or in a week, and then practice a strategy. If you found a strategy on YouTube, or you're just practicing, make sure you back test your currency, because this will help you a lot when you're trading. What back testing is you're going in the history of your chart or in the market, and you're just practicing your strategy. If you go on TradingView, you get to see that there's a replay button, and with this replay button you can go anytime in history and start the trade from there. Mark up your charts, put your short position or long position in, and then play your chart and see how it works. If you're constantly hitting losses, maybe change up your strategy. While we're talking about the charts, one thing I recommend you not do is stop moving your stop losses or take profits. This will help you stick to your plan and stick to your goals and make you more beneficial when you're trading. Because if it does hit your stop loss, you understand why it hit your stop loss and you move on. You don't dwell on the losses. You don't take that loss as something that you want to sit back and just cry about. You want to make that loss into something that you learn, and then you go to the next trade, maybe the next day or the next week, and you make sure that you hit the take profit the next time. But don't change your stop losses or your take profits unless you are trading and you're maybe 50 pips up. You can move your stop loss to break even, or you can move your stop losses into your profit zone and secure some profits. So you can do that. What I do recommend is you don't move your take profits, because what's going to happen, I've seen a lot of traders do, is they're close to the take profit and they're not confident with their move or their goal or their plan, and then they will see that the currency they were using has now gone even higher than their take profit, and they regret leaving the position. So make sure you don't move your take profit. That's the most important thing. If you're going to set a goal, make sure that that goal is set. Don't change your goals. If you set a goal for the day, okay, gold's going to hit 1800, stick to that goal. Unless the market has shown you otherwise, adjust to the market, but don't just be scared. If you feel like you're shy or you're scared, backtest, practice again, gain that confidence, go back on demo, gain that confidence. But I don't really recommend demo, only because demo doesn't really show you the psychology part of trading. It only shows you how to make money, and I feel like demo is way easier to make money rather than actually making a real account. But demo is perfect for the people who want to know what lot sizes are, for the people who don't know how big of a position to put in. You can start off with a £200 demo account and see how many lot sizes you can put in. This is very important when you go into your real account. You don't over leverage your account. Don't over leverage your account. That will help you so much in being consistent, because if you want to hit multiple trades in a week but you hit one loss on a Monday and that loss was too big that you can't trade in a week, you will not become consistent. You just blown your account on the first day of the week. So my next point is, don't over leverage or don't overuse your lot sizes. That means that if you got £100, only risk 1% of your account. Only because if you do hit losses, to blow your account you need 100 losses. If you risk 1% of your account, you need 100 losses to blow your account. If someone told me, you have to make 100 losses to blow your account, I find that impossible. I don't think I can do that. Unless that means you're over trading. If you can do that, that means you're over trading. Be patient, relax. If you're scared about the charts, or if you're scalping, maybe hit 2 to 3 trades in a day and leave. Once you made your money, leave. Now, if you have taken losses in the market, don't dwell on the losses. Don't think that, okay, I hit a £30 loss, I need to make this £30 back. Don't think like that. What's going to happen is your psychology is going to turn into greed. And that greed is going to make you lose a lot of money. So just relax, be patient. If you put a trade in, don't go and place multiple trades in that trade. Relax. So you're not going to be rich overnight. So just calm down, stick to your rules, and I promise you, you're going to become a consistent trader. The most important rule if you want to become consistent is stop listening to other people. Stop going with what other people are saying, because what's going to happen is you're not using your own mind. This is in everything, in any case. If you're going to college, uni, if you're a football player, a basketball player, if you're a musician, stop listening to what other people are saying. Continue what you're doing. If you work on something every single day, I promise you, you will become better at it. For example, if you play a game every single day for the rest of the week, I guarantee you that game you will become way better at it. So why don't you use that same mindset and put it into something that can make you money, or something that can, help your future? So instead of listening to other people, research. Understand what the market's doing. So on my Snapchat, I put a prediction of Bitcoin, what I believe, what my opinion is on Bitcoin. And a lot of people message me saying, oh, should I put money into Bitcoin? Or should I wait till Bitcoin hits this price and put money in? I'm like, you can do whatever you want, it's your money. But gain some knowledge, research what Bitcoin is, how volatile it is, the amount of money you're putting in. A lot of people say, oh, I'm going to put £1,000 into Bitcoin. Can you lose £1,000? So stop listening to other people and start researching yourself and gaining your own knowledge, because this is going to help you so much in trading. Because I've seen a lot of people, their currency is not moving fast. Like gold went through a stage of consolidation, for like a couple weeks. And my friends are, trading GBP USD, GBP JPY, and they're messaging me saying, oh, just hit 100 pips, just hit, 50 pips, just hit 80 pips. And I'm, my temptations was to go and see the market and trade that market, but I have no knowledge. I have no knowledge of what that pair does. I don't know how volatile it is. I don't know what it does, because I haven't researched. I haven't put time into that pair. So if I'm going to be trading gold, I'm going to stick to gold. I've built a relationship with gold. Me and gold, we have a relationship. That's how I like to see it, because I like to research about gold. I like to see the news, the economy about gold. What's going to happen? Oh, Biden became president. Okay, what's happening to gold? Gold is against USD. So anything that happens in America is going to affect gold. You need to research about these things, because this will help you so much in your consistency. You will not be blinded by just price action or heads and shoulders or inverted hammer. You're going to understand that the reasons why the charts are moving in certain ways is because of the economy. Banks. Think like a bank. Why would banks want gold to hit 1700? There's a reason why. Maybe because, they're printing out more money, or USD is getting weaker. Find out what's happening to the market. So this puts me onto the main point of this whole video, is staying disciplined. Stop thinking that trading or Forex or stock investments or cryptocurrency is going to make you a lot of money. It's not going to make you a lot of money. You are going to make you a lot of money. You need to put your own mindset to the game. So if you're being disciplined, set yourself goals, set yourself plans, trading plans. Every Sunday I look at the charts and I have a plan for the week, or even for the month. When the month starts, I'm like, okay, this is what I predict, or this is what my analysis shows that gold's going to do. I'm not gambling. All I'm doing is predicting and analyzing what my chart will do, what my currency pair will do, and I'm just activating it. And me activating it is making me money. Yes, I hit losses. I'm not perfect. You are going to hit losses. Motivate yourself. Listen to motivational speakers. Rewatch this video to get you back to this mindset of being consistent and sticking to your rules. Because I promise you, if you stick to your plan, if it does go the other way, you will understand why. If you just free ride, if you just, click buys or click sells. So let's say you just took a L on, a breakout and a retest, and you're still thinking it going up. Maybe it was a fake breakout. Research what happened on that timing. You got different sessions in your currency pair. You got the Asian session, you got the European session, you got the New York session. Find out what session your currency pair moves the most, and then break it down from there. Once you find out, okay, my currency pair moves the most in the New York session, so I'm gonna wait till the New York session opens. So in the UK that opens around 1 o'clock to 2:30, and start your trades from then. So all these things will affect your trading. So make sure your trading career starts off fresh. Set goals, set monthly, weekly, daily goals for yourself, and stick to these plans. And adjust to the market. The market will not be your friend. The market does not care about you. You're a retail trader. You're not the banks. You're not a big institutional trader. You're a retail trader. So like I said before, your £100, your £500, your £1,000, your £10,000 is not going to affect the market at all. The market is going to still move without you being there. The market's not going to stop and say, oh wait, you know, he hasn't traded yet, we're going to wait for him. No, the market's going to continue. But this means you will adjust to the market. Adjust to your currency pair. If your currency pair has gone against your trading plan, don't trade. Don't be biased on yourself. Stop trading and re-look at the charts. Re-analyze your charts. And just because you missed a setup doesn't mean that it's the end of the world. The setup's going to happen again and again and again. You're going to find these setups on a regular basis. So stop believing that you need to hop onto every single trade. You know, if you missed out on a breakout or retest, wait until you see your next potential move. Don't just trade because you saw something happen, you were late to it, and you know you had a bad entry. You're going to find out that your stop loss is way too big now, and you're losing a lot of money, you're over leveraging your account, and that negative mindset is going to affect your trading. In conclusion to this video is be disciplined, set goals, read and gain knowledge on your pair, build a relationship with your pair. That's what I like to say. I like to say build a relationship with your pair. In a relationship, you always find something new. And the final thing is stop listening to other people. Stop going into these, oh, I can flip 200 to £1,000. Stop listening to that. Because I guarantee you, if you just sit down and put your own money and your mind to it, you are going to hit your goals. I promise you that you will hit your goals. And you're going to see your trading lifestyle go from 0 to 80 real quick. So it's all about time and patience. Yes, you're going to hit losses. When you start getting more money, you're going to hit more losses. Doesn't mean you just stop there. Push through those hurdles. If you got the right mindset, you will become more consistent at what you're doing. This means that anything in life, you will become consistent. And if you like these type of videos where I'm just talking in front of the camera, put it in the comments below. So anyway, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.